I'm back to the Schubert A major duo. Good catch. I'm in the scherzo. Let's try it again. Okay, I've got to focus. Not quite. I see, I decided on thumb fingering for that. I like it because of the articulation. What I hadn't got is, how do I grab this? I think 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm also going to start the one earlier. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, and I'm going to remind myself of that 1. I could do 4, 3, 2, and of course that will get me ready. I don't know why I don't, because it puts me in a different mode. I like the mode, that thumb mode. It makes me much more aware of that melodic line. I can also voice it, as you might be able to hear more clearly. That thumb does make a big difference. It's really interesting. 1, 1, 1. What I said is wrong. I go 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Just in case you were counting. Yeah. That makes me feel much better. Yeah. The first one ends with a rest. Goes on. Wanting to do a double thumb here and how to avoid it because it's not written. Notice I keep wanting to play an extra A. Interesting to me because my inclination is to go 4, 4, 5 or even 4, 4, 4, 5. I am weird that way. I think we all are, and actually I hope we all are. We're willing to experiment and change our minds. I do prefer the 4. I don't think everybody would because this one is not a very comfortable fingering for many people, but it really does set up my return to the white note on 5th finger really well for me. And it makes it more dependable. Yeah. Decided really on a fingering for my right hand. I'm going to go 5, 3, 2. Grabs the chord. It also happens when I go to 4. The 4 will be free here. could go, of course, to 5, 2, 1, but I like the casualness and the outwardness. I can hang off the end of the key better than I can here, where I have to show commitment further to a greater twist and a more inward gesture. So I want the casualness of the 5, 3, 2. Oh, I missed it. In other words, the accent is where we don't expect it. So I can't be suckered into doing what he doesn't want to be doing. I've got to learn how to look back with the help of a so there's no reason for me to keep that fingering staring at me. I go 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 2, 5, 1 twice in a row. Da, 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 da. Okay, and then this time I do go to 5, 3 at the end. It sets up the rest of the chord. Second finger, which was a very useful decision on my part. I should know. Oops, excuse me.